The impact of AI we've already started seeing. A lot of companies have started laying off their own employees, and I'm sure 2026, 2027 is going to see more and more layoffs in the IT sectors. You've handled this situation earlier where you've asked employees to leave, or because of the directive that the company has made, or you've been given the directive from the top management further. So what's your advice to managers when such a directive has been given that you have to cut down X percentage of your team, so that you trim them down, you trim down your employees for the cost cutting measures? So what's your advice to managers? Let's restrict to from a manager's perspective for this.
I will tell you that this was the exercise which I dreaded the most, and it's not a pleasant one. I mean, I would be lying to you if I said that yes, I could handle it very well, and yes, it has to be done, and there are ways, and you could probably give it a manual, but there's no one manual. Only thing I could probably that time prepare myself, that some of my colleagues who worked with me, and there should be, I mean, there is no fault of theirs because they have been chosen to go, and I have to execute that task. So first thing which I, as a leader, it was told, and also I implemented, that I would not put this blame on my superiors or seniors. I'll not take their name. When I am doing this, it is primarily I am the one. They can ask questions if they feel that something unfair being done and all. It's primarily me. That time I should not take an alibi and say that no, I got order from the top, what can I do? And that's a very poor leadership. You have to face it fair and square, number one. Number two, then it comes the compassion. That once the bad news is delivered, you have to see how best you can handle, and people call it soft landing, for which company also helps, I'm sure. Third, that there are other ways to make employee feel not so bad, because if you are able to put the whole thing together, and if there are proper reasons, I mean, even cost cutting can be explained, even that kind of downsizing can be explained to the extent possible. You have a job to explain. You cannot say that, I don't know why they are doing it, but you know how it is and I am helpless. Don't do that. And this is the kind of thing which I tried to do it. And in most of the cases when they saw my honesty, because I am also not, what you call bluffing about it. I mean, this is how I handle it.